Umhlanga Sands Resorts project. The objective of this project is to determine whether Umhlanga Sands Resort must switch from their geyser hot water system to the heat pump water system in order to save energy costs. The planning period. The useful life according to the manufacturer is 20 years, but according to the SARS wear and tear guidelines, the tax life of a hot water system is 5 years, which means that the heat pumps can be depreciated up to 5 years if they are working according to the design specifications. We also know that there are 8 machines, but 6 machines are working rotationally at a time, which means that in a week, each heat pump is not working approximately 33 hours, which adds up an extra year to the tax life of the machine. Hence, in this project, we are going to use a project life of 6 years. To calculate the electricity savings, I used the year 2016 as a base year to forecast CPI for the next coming 6 years. I have also used inflation forecasts for the next 6 years from Statistica SA Inflation. This was used to forecast the prices up to the year 2022. This table shows how the electricity savings were calculated. The operating income. This operating income was calculated from the energy savings and will be used to calculate the after-tax cash flows. Loan repayments. I visited a few banks and I was informed that for a low-risk company like Umhlanga Sands Resorts, for them to pay off a loan of 1.5 million, it will take them about 3 to 6 years. And as you can see on the screen, there is a loan repayment scheme that was investigated. And the loan repayment option that was chosen in this project is 5 years, because we want to be able to pay the loan from the operating income and not take any money from other investments of the business. Depreciation and market value were calculated using straight line balance according to the SARS guidelines. This information was used in the calculation of the after-tax cash flows, which we need to calculate our net present value. To calculate the after-tax MAR, a range of 10.25 to 21% was selected. This was used to calculate the after-tax MAR. From this table on number 7, you can see that as the MAR increases, NVP decreases. This also shows the sensitivity of our model. To incorporate uncertainty and to find the level of risk associated with this project, level of risk associated with this project. NVP is calculated again using the above parameters. You can see that NVP from the above calculation is different from the one that is calculated under uncertainty. However, the NVP's difference is not that big, and both NVPs are positive, which means that this project is feasible even in the presence of uncertainty and variability. In conclusion, I recommend that Umhlanga Sands Resorts switch from their geyser hot water system to their heat pump hot water system, because this project is feasible and they will